Lila and the Lost Rainbow. One sunny morning, a little butterfly named Lila woke up in a beautiful garden. But today, something was wrong. The rainbow was gone, and all the flowers looked sad without its colors. "Oh no," chirped Lila. "I have to find the lost rainbow." With a determined flutter, she flapped her tiny wings and flew up, up, and away from the garden to begin her search. Soon, Lila met Benny the bee buzzing around a sunflower. "Benny, have you seen the rainbow?" she asked. Benny pointed a fuzzy leg toward the horizon. "I saw some colors flying toward that tall mountain." Next, Lila found Coco the cat snoozing under a shady oak tree. "Excuse me, Coco," said Lila. "Have you seen the rainbow?" Coco opened one eye and smiled. "I saw a flash of red hiding behind that little hill." Behind the hill, Lila found a soft, glowing light. It was red, a color from the rainbow, crying softly. "I got lost when the wind blew too hard," Red sniffled. "Don't worry," said Lila kindly. "I'll help you find your friends." Together, they flew to a meadow where they found Orange zipping playfully between the daisies. Red was so happy. He flew over to his friend Yellow, who was bouncing on a fluffy dandelion. They spun and danced together in the air, laughing with glee. The happy group then flew to a sparkling river. There, they found Green dipping and diving in the cool water, making little splashes. Just then, Blue popped up from the water, happy to see everyone. From the top of a nearby hill, they all heard a beautiful song. It was Purple, singing to the clouds. "Let's go home," Lila cheered. All the colors flew up into the sky, side by side. They formed a bright and beautiful arc, and the rainbow was back. Lila danced in the happy garden, proud that by working together, they had made the world bright again.